If you want to get rid of your Instagram messages from both sides for whatever reason, it's very simple to do. So let's go ahead and go into your Instagram. Let me go find mine here. And you want to go to the little paper airplane at the bottom center of your Instagram homepage. And go ahead and pick a conversation. So typically what you would do is click and hold the conversation and go ahead and hit delete. But this actually only deletes it from your end. So this doesn't exactly delete the messages from both the sender and the receiver. So we don't really want to do this. So go ahead and hit cancel. The only way to do this is to actually go into the message thread. So once you're in the message thread, go ahead and click what you want to delete from both sides. Click and hold, and you're going to get a bunch of different options here, and you just want to choose unsend. And from there, it is unsent. So it is deleted from your side of the chat and their side of the chat as well. Go ahead and click and hold once again. Go ahead and hit unsend. And that's it. Now you've successfully deleted messages from both sides, and you can't get them back, but they are gone from both sides of the message.